In this question, you have to identify the wrong statement about histone. Option A, histones carry positive charge in the side chain. It is true. Histones are positively charged due to the presence of basic amino acids which have positively charged side chains. Hence, it is incorrect option. Option B, histones are organized to form a unit of 8 molecules. It is also true. Histones form an octamer consisting of 2 molecules each of histone 2A, 2B, 3 and 4. Now which together form the core around which DNA wraps to form nucleosomes. Hence it is incorrect option. Option C, the pH of histones is slightly acidic. It is wrong statement regarding histone because histones are basic in nature and not acidic as they are rich in basic amino acids such as lysine and arginine. Hence, it is the correct option. Option D. Histones are rich in amino acids lysine and arginine. It is also true, as already stated, histones are indeed rich in lysine and arginine, and this gives histone their positive charge and allowing them to bind tightly to the negatively charged DNA. Hence, this is incorrect option.